I've been trying to diagnose if I still have an exhaust leak or not. Give this guys a listen. I'm just idling right now. It's 2,000 RPMs. 3,000. And then just 1. That gurgle started after the last tune was installed. And then I actually had a real exhaust leak in my downpipe, but I replaced the downpipe, and I'm still having that issue, so. Should they boost? If I go to neutral. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Appreciate the feedback. It must be an exhaust leak. I did actually, by the way, I did email my favorite shop in Southern New Hampshire and asked them to schedule me in for that for Thanksgiving for boost leak diagnosis. They have the cool little setup with the baby oil, and they push through the turbo engine area and find leaks. So maybe I'll find a leak and that'll solve the issue. I don't hate the sound, but some days I kind of wish it didn't gurgle. It's a little annoying.